Have you ever wondered on how you can create animated videos but minus the drawing skills? Then we got you covered using a website called ChatGPT and Animaker. But since most of us know the website ChatGPT already, a website/AI that answers our questions and gives us ideas. So it is a must for us to move on to knowing what Animaker is. Animaker Incorporation is a DIY video animation software. The software is cloud-based and was launched in 2014. It allows users to create animated videos using pre-built characters and templates, allowing you to create your own animation with less hassle. How to use it, you say? Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create animated videos using ChatGPT. So, to create an animated video, what we are going to do first is to create a script. And what you'll be doing after that will be the animated character. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. First things first, what you want to do is to open up your browser of choice. Then, what you want to do next is to head on to ChatGPT on Google. Now, we are going to ask the AI to make a script for us. What we are going to type in is act as a YouTube title generator and give me more titles, suggestions on the topic less known facts. Or you can use the lines that you can see on your screen as your guide, or even twist it based on your preference. After the bot has generated a selection of titles for you, pick one for your chosen video. What you are going to do after is to type in act as a YouTuber and create a script for the YouTube video, and then paste the title that you have copied. So now that we have our script, we will now proceed to our second step, which is creating the animated character for our video. So, what you are going to do is to open up a new tab and select your search bar. In here, what you are going to be looking up for is a website called Animaker. So, once you're here, you will be able to see the main page of Animaker. But what you only have to do here is to press Create your first video. If you do not have an account, pressing this button will take you to a brand new page, where you can sign up your account to access the website. Once that is all done, what you want to do is to press the Create button. Then, a drop-down menu will appear. What you are going to be selecting in here is to create a character. Now, select a basic character to begin. You will see further customizations that you can add on your character. So, what you want to do now is to proceed to create your own character. Now that you are done with creating your character, you can now press the Save button right here. Then, it will show a pop-up menu again. Then, what you want to press is the dashboard option. Doing this will bring you back to the main menu. Once that is all done, what you want to do again is to press the Create button. Then, a drop-down menu again will appear. What you are going to be selecting in here is Create a Video. Two options will then appear. Blank page if you want to start from scratch, or the template option, in which you can use a pre-made template for you to use, or even customize. But here in our video, we are going to select templates. Okay, in here are several custom-made templates for you to use. Select your preferred template that you want to use for your animated video. Once you are done with that, what you are going to do is press Characters. In here are a selection of characters that you can choose from. It varies from gender, age, or even body type. However, if you want to change your character into the one that you have made earlier, just press this button and it will show you the characters you have already made. In here, you can even customize the actions and expressions on a specific timeline. And then, what you can do now is head back to ChatGPT to copy and paste the AI-generated text into your Animaker project. As you can see, there are several other tools in which you can use on your videos. So, if you want to further customize your video or your animation, just do so. Like here, in the right side of your screen, you can see several other things like image, transitions, effects, and many more. When you are done editing your video, you can now press the download button above. And that's it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now create animated videos using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.